So we have another vehicle that's gonna be worked on today.
We're gonna try to get to all of it.
So you're gonna be building out this while the mechanic is working in the front of the vehicle, doing stuff underneath the hood. And then what's happening with this van over here?
We're gonna try to get that started.
So what's the story with this van?
It won't start.
It won't start. This is the other vehicle that we're gonna have the mechanic work on as well. I actually drove this sucker from Virginia Beach to here and parked it, and it hasn't moved ever since. Now, I will tell you, that was the most smoothest driving vehicle to date. Regardless of how it looks, this thing is smooth, and these seats are plush. They're like a recliner. Feels like a recliner. Well, I didn't ride it like that, but the recliner, well, it feels like a recliner. It's soft. My doggy loves the back seat because she gets all that space and stuff. So this vehicle is going to be worked on just to get it started, and then Cal is going to be building out this while the mechanic is doing his magic in the front. And so, yep. So he's still getting to the parts that he needs to get to. That's a jet seat. Ooh. What's that? This is the side view of the beast. The mechanic is working in the front. And this is the side view since Cal opened the side door to get the remaining stuff out. So this is what it looks like. So he